Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple is developing a new standalone gaming app that will serve as the central hub for gaming across iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV, according to Bloomberg. The multi-platform app will allow users to launch games, view in-game achievements, and even track leaderboards, as well as read curated editorial content and communicate with friends. Set to replace the long-standing Game Center, the new app will come pre-installed with iOS 19, macOS 16, and tvOS 19 and is expected to be officially unveiled during Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference on June 9. While Apple will use the app to spotlight Apple Arcade, it will also support third-party games from the App Store, offering a more streamlined and dedicated space for discovering and managing games. On macOS, the app will even integrate with games downloaded outside of the Mac App Store. It's worth pointing out that this move appears to signal Apple's intention to separate gaming from the broader App Store experience, making it easier for users to find and play games on their devices. Although the app will be introduced at WWDC 2025, it's scheduled to launch publicly in September alongside Apple's new operating systems.